Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to do something simple. We're going to do roasted potato wedges. I know it doesn't sound like much, but it's something. I'm making these to go along with another dish. So, but potato wedges are good. It's a good appetizer. You can get your favorite dipping sauce and you know, barbecue sauce, mayonnaise, you know, whatever. So this is what you're going to need. 3 potatoes, 1 potato a person. I've got some fresh rosemary here. We're going to use that. Let me get these bad boys washed up, and we're going to leave the skins on. So I'm going to get them cleaned, and then I'll show you how to cut them. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut them into wedges. Okay? And they're all going to be relatively the same size. All right, and how you're going to do that is you're going to cut the potato in half. And then you're going to cut a wedge out like that. Turn it. Cut a wedge. And then cut that in half. And for the most part, these are all the same size. That one's kind of thick. Alright, this one's a little bit thicker, but it'll be okay. So let me finish cutting these, and we'll be back. Okay, so here we have our wedges, and I'm gonna couple tablespoons of oil. All right, probably a couple tablespoons of salt, some onion powder, garlic powder, actually, let's use this mill. It's better. Smoked paprika. It's going to give it a nice color. This little goes a long way. So that's what you have. You want to mix them all up. Got a nice color going there. Okay. I've got some fresh rosemary that I want to use up. If you don't have fresh, that's fine. So just strip that off the stalk. And you know how to strip it is just go in the opposite direction of the and how it's growing, and it'll come right off. So as you can see, this gives me about a tablespoon, which I think is a good amount. So now we want to okay, and we're gonna mix this up again. Now I've got a oven preheating at 425 degrees. You're going to want to put these in, turn them every 15 minutes, cook them for 45 minutes. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grease a pan. If you prefer to use a spray, you can use a spray, but I like doing it this way. All right. Make sure they have some room. So we'll revisit it in 15 minutes. All right, so just want to shake it around so you don't break up the wedges. And these are, there you go. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so last 15 minutes on those potatoes. Okay. So these potato wedges are done, and they look really good. So what we want to do at this point is just shake them up to loosen them. That's it. Okay, so that's it. That's potato wedges. Like, subscribe, everything is greatly appreciated. So, it's John Campbell, the Not So Neat Chef. Bye.